In this video, we shall discuss on the geometric distribution, and I will teach you how to compute the expectation and the variance for the geometric distribution. Of course, the one we have here is for the first kind. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So if given the geometric distribution to be P, Q, X minus 1, this is geometric distribution of first kind. And we are asked first to find the expectation of X. To find the expectation of X. So what is the expectation of X? The expectation of X is equal to the summation as X is equal to 1 running from 1 to infinity, then X multiplied by f of X. So this is the PMF. So X is multiplying the PMF. Of course, we have f of X to be the whole of this. So we'll move over to this other side of the board to do this. So we have our expectation of X, which is the mean of X, to be summation as X is equal to 1 to infinity. Then X multiplied by, what do we have as our f of X? Our f of X is PQ raised to the power of X minus 1. So we have PQ raised to the power of X minus 1. Of course, P here is a constant. So we'll bring it out. We'll bring P out, which is summation of as X is equal to 1 to infinity. Then we'll have X multiplied by Q, X minus 1, which is our expected value of X. But we'll recall that from infinity series, that means from the derivation of the geometric series, that is the derivation of geometric series, we have that X summation of as X ranging from 1 to infinity, X Q X minus 1 is equal to, if we have from this series, we have that 1, this is equal to 1 all over 1 minus Q raised to the power of 2. So this is what we have from infinity series when deriving geometric series. So we have to recall this. If this is true, then we have our expectation of X to be equal to, we already have P here, so it will now be P multiplied by 1 all over 1 minus Q squared, which is the same thing as P all over 1 minus Q squared. Also, we know that from probability, we also recall that from probability Q plus P is equal to 1. It then implies that P is equal to 1 minus Q. So anywhere we see 1 minus Q, we can put P there. We'll move over to this part of the board to do that. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we have our expectation of X, we are not done, to be equal to P all over, since we have P, to be equal to 1 minus q. Anywhere we see 1 minus q, we put p. So it will now be p all over p squared. So this is the same thing as p all over p squared. And it's also equal to 1 because this p will cancel this to give us 1 all over p. It then means that our expected value of x is 1 all over p. So this is simply how to compute the expectation for the geometric distribution of a discrete random variable of the first kind, of the first kind. So we'll now move over to calculate the variance for the geometric distribution of the second, for the variance of our geometric distribution. And we have that our variance of x, which is number 2, our variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. So to obtain this, we must find the expected value of x squared. So what is the expected value of x squared? In our recent subsequent video, we have that the expected value of x squared is equal to p all over, is equal to 2 minus p all over p squared. Is equal to 2 minus p all over p squared. In our previous video, we did that. So we computed the expected value of x squared for the geometric distribution of first kind. Now, if that is true, we can now calculate our expected value, our variance of x. So our variance of x will move over to this side of the board. So our variance of x will now be equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. And we have that the expected value of x squared is 2 minus p all over p squared minus the expected value of x, we got 1 all over p, 1 all over p. Because of this squared, we'll put it as all squared, which is the same thing as if we open this bracket, we'll have 2 minus p all over p squared minus 1 all over p squared, which is the same thing as, if we take the LCM, is p squared into 1 minus p minus 1, which is the same thing as 2 minus 1 will give us 1 minus p all over p squared. Also, okay, that means that our variance of x is equal to 1 minus p all over p squared. Now, we are not done. From probability distribution, we have that 1 minus p is equal to q. We show that because the probability of success and the probability of failure is equal to, plus the probability of failure is equal to 1. So it then means that our variance of x, it then means that from probability, q plus p is equal to 1, which implies that q can be equal to 1 minus p, and we have 1 minus p there. So it then means that our variance of x, it means that our variance of s can be written as anywhere we see 1 minus p, we put q. We have 1 minus p there. 1 minus p all over p squared is equal to, because of this, we have it as q all over p squared. It then means that our variance of x for the geometric distribution of first kind is q all over p squared. While the expected value of x, which we got before, is equal to 1 all over p. So this is simply how to compute the geometric distribution of first kind of a discrete random variable. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.